doing, Steve?
What's up, man? Okay, so you know how we love camping, right? So I'm always looking for camping gear, and I came across these two little things. They were just small, cheap little things that I saw online. I had to buy them, man. Stick around, check this out. I'll show you what I got. What's up, campers? What's up? I'm Steve from Beastmode Camping. In this one, I'm going to show you these two little items that I found, these little gold nuggets, if you will. I found these things on Amazon, and when I scrolled across them, I had to buy them. You know, I just had to do it. Okay, so you do what you got to do. So the first one is this. It's a tactical spork. It's made of tactical, dude. You could put your eye out with this thing, man. But it's like I always carry around all these plastic silverwares and all the things, all plasticware all the time with knives and forks and spoons and all this crap in a little box, and it just takes up space in your gear. This is all you need, man. You got a fork and a spoon.
Fork and a spoon.
And what? Okay, so. What happens, Stevie, if you got steak you want to cut, right? Okay. It's got a big ass knife in there.
Look at that bad boy.
This sucker is sharp and serrated. Man, you could do some damage with that. So you can cut your food with it. It just slides right back in the handle. This is all you need. That's all you need, dude.
That's all you need.
That's all you need. Shove all that other shit up your ass. I don't care. This is all you need. All right? Fork, spoon, knife.
Boom.
Bam.
Cutting down on your weight.
That's all you need. Bam. One thing, get rid of the rest of it. That was cool. Had to buy it. This thing was cheap, man. The next thing. Are you ready? Are you ready for this? You're not ready for this. It's a pen. They say the pen is mightier than the sword, right? In this case, it is. There's actually a box cutter right there in this pen. There's a flashlight in this pen. Look at that.
Look at that.
You gotta look at it. I'm just saying, sometimes you just gotta look at it. Okay, so anyway, you got your flashlight up here. You got your box cutter right here. This is actually a glass breaker right there. So if you want the pen, you unscrew this, and there's your pen right there. Okay, so you can write with your pen. And then you can unscrew the front here, and it's a spot to plug in some tools. What kind of tools we got, you say? Nice. All right, check this out. So this is a flathead screwdriver, and here's a little bottle opener there, okay? But it came with some other things on here. So let me just show you. It came with this in this box. So I'm gonna open the box up here and just show you. And it's got this little bag. I've got all the other stuff in here. But look, it came with extra batteries for the flashlight. Those all go right in here. You can unscrew the back here, and you can see the batteries down inside there. So it came with 2 extra charges of batteries for the flashlight. So there's that. And now let me show you this little baggie. Oh, also in here, there's 2 extra ink cartridges for the pen. So, you know, when you're using the pen, if I unscrew this, you know, you can just unscrew this and you can get to the pen. It's just like a normal ballpoint pen.
Right.
So you can pull those out. And it came with 2 more of these to refill it with, I guess, if you run out of ink. So we're gonna put that back in. Screw that back together. So we got our pen. And then this tool unscrews like that. I'm just gonna throw that in the top there. And I got a little baggie. All right, check this out. I'm gonna dump them out in the box here. Extra pieces that will all go into the tip here.
Oh.
So,
need more light on it, brother.
So you can see this is a little whistle
Give a little whistle.
All these things.
Give a little whistle.
Oh, I'm gonna give you a whistle. They all screw into the end here, so you can keep them in there. Oh my goodness. Oh, okay.
You're gonna love.
Yeah, the dogs will be here in a second. All right, so there's that, and then there's the little one I showed you before with the bottle opener. It has 2 screwdriver heads, and those just kind of slip in there like that. So you got a flat head and a Phillips head. And then this, I believe, is a fire starter. It looks like a little flint stick that you could screw in here and just, you know, grab your knife or whatever and just scrape on that and get a spark, I guess. So there's that. The only thing I don't like about this is greatness. I usually keep this one on because I think this is probably the one I'll use the most often.
Which one's that?
This is the one with the can opener and the little flathead screwdriver.
Okay.
And of course you could use that for a lot of things. It doesn't have to be a screwdriver. You could just, you know, you could kill somebody with that thing. I don't know.
It is getting towards Halloween.
Yeah, okay. And then when you're just not using it, you just put this back on like that, and you got your glass breaker back, and there's that. Now, this is awesome. The only thing I don't like about it is the fact that all these pieces are separate. It would be nice if they were all contained in here
There's
somehow.
no way to put it all in.
Yeah, I haven't figured out any way that you can fit all of this in here. So I think that's why they give you this little bag to go with it, because then you can just take all your little pieces and put them in the bag. Oh, and then you can just bring that with you to carry it with. But other than that, really cool, man. And like I said, it's got that little box cutter right there. So if you want to, or a string, if you got something you want to cut, you just get it in that groove and pull on it. And that blade is in there. I don't know if you can you see that blade in there?
I can.
Yeah.
See if we can get a close up of that.
Yeah. Looks like a sharp little blade in there. So you hook anything under here and pull,
Boom.
and you're gonna
You got a
cut
razor
through it.
blade.
Yeah, I mean you can cut through this tent or whatever.
You won't do it.
Yeah, I'm not gonna do it. So anyway, these are really cool, super cool. So like I say, these were just 2 cool little things. This is this Spork. It's a tactical Spork.
Tactical Spork.
K-bar, okay, brand, this is K-bar, a fork, a spoon, and a knife, all in one, tactical gear, nice and sturdy. This is probably gonna last me for the rest of my camping days. $6.99, dude, come on, really?
$699?
No, $6.99.
Nice.
I got Amazon Prime, they delivered it for free the next day. It was awesome. Okay, so anyway, there's that, $7, dude, come on, take my money. All right, this is, the brand is Kilitn, but this is basically a $14.99 piece. It was actually on sale. It was $15.99, so they knocked $1 off for me, maybe because I got Prime, I guess. But this is $14.99, same thing, delivered next day. You know, what, like a 10-in-1 tactical pen set. So, like I said, cheap, cool. I mean, I mean, come on, dude, look at that. I just had to have it. Anyway, just 2 quick little finds, you know, they were great. I love them. I'll leave a link in the description for you so you can go grab one for yourself. Till then, be sure and give this video a like and subscribe to our page for more content. And be sure and click that bell while you're there. You'll never miss another video. And I'll see you in the next one. Later. Yang.